Let f of x equal to this, express f of x in partial fractions. So whenever you want to express it in partial fractions, step 1, you need to check whether it is proper or improper. And how do we check? See here. What is the degree of the numerator? That is highest power of x. Here it is 1, here it is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. What is the degree of the numerator? In this bracket, power on x is 2, over here 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 2 is less than 3. So degree of the numerator is less than the degree of denominator. Thus, it is proper fraction. That is step 1. Okay, next. I write the same thing here, x times 6 minus x by 2 plus x times 4 plus x square. How do I break this into partial fractions? See here. Take this bracket right here. Plus, now take the second bracket and write here. Okay. After that, this is a linear equation. So numerator should be a constant. So let us say a. And this is a quadratic equation. So numerator should be linear. So bx plus c. It is a rule, man. If this is linear, numerator should be constant. If this is quadratic, numerator should be linear. Okay, next. What do you have this side? X times 6 minus x by 2 plus x times 4 plus x square is equal to. Now, on this side, you take the LCM and write here. Or what you could do is, directly whatever you have denominator on the other side, this side also write the same denominator. Either you take LCM and write this, or directly whatever you have on this side, write the same thing on the other side as well. Now, here it is 2 plus x should become this entire thing. So I should multiply denominator and numerator with 4 plus x square. Thus, it will result in a times 4 plus x square plus. Here it is 4 plus x square should become this entire thing, means I should multiply denominator and numerator by 2 plus x. Thus, it will become bx plus c times 2 plus x. Okay. Next step is cancel out the denominators on both sides. That is the next step. Okay. Now you are left with this numerator equal to this entire numerator. Now you should take different values of x, or by comparing coefficients, you should find the value of a, b and c and replace in this. That will be your final answer. Now, how do I decide the value of x? See, I try to make the bracket 0. First, I try to make this bracket 0. For what value of x will this be 0? Take minus 2 on both sides. So, x equal to minus 2. So, let us take x equal to minus 2 now. Replace in the entire thing. So, in place of x, minus 2. Okay, and on this side, a brackets 4 plus minus 2 whole square. Here you see, when x is minus 2, this is 0. 0 into entire thing 0, so I am not writing that. Okay, next. So here it is minus 2 times 6 plus 2, 8. And on this side, 4 plus 4 is 8. Now divide by 8 on both sides. So you get a equal to minus 2. Okay, next. Now I try to make this bracket 0. So that is 4 plus x square equal to 0. Here you need to understand this one. See, on x the power is 2 and here you have plus sign. What is my point is, no matter what value you take for x, this thing is never going to become 0. Clear? So now the next option is take x equal to 0. So if I take x equal to 0, 0 times anything gone 0. And over here this is 0, so leaving you with 4a. And when x is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So left are 2c. Okay. Now substitute a equal to minus 2 in this. So what do I get? 0 equal to 4 times minus 2 is minus 8 plus 2c. Now add 8 on both sides such that this cancel out. 8 equal to 2c. Now divide by 2. So 4 equal to c. Okay. Now I should get the value of b. To get the value of b, I should compare coefficients. Remember this point. Whenever you want to do comparing coefficients, first you should expand the brackets or open up the brackets. What do I mean is, see here. Open up in this way. So what do I get? 4a plus ax square plus, here also you open up. So I get 2bx plus bx square plus, now with c, 2c plus cx. Okay. Now you are trying to get the value for b. b is the coefficient of x square. So we should compare x square coefficients now. Okay, comparing x square coefficients on both sides. What is the x square coefficient on this side? To decide that, here also I need to open up the bracket. So what do I get? 6x minus x square. So x square coefficient on this side is minus 1. And on the other side, here I have x square and also here. So here the coefficient is a and over here it is b. So it is a plus b. Now a equal to minus 2, replace in that. So what do I get? Minus 1 equal to minus 2 plus b. Now add 2 on both sides such that this cancel out. Here 1 equal to b. Okay. Now your final answer should be replacing a, b and c in this one. Thus your answer is, a is minus 2. So minus 2 by 2 plus x plus b is 1. So 1x plus c is 4 by 4 plus x square. So this is your answer. Okay.